Hi, have you ever done an portfolio checkup in your stocks? That is, the stocks in which you have invested has gone to the right sectors, or whether the stocks that you hold, whatever the news coming on the stock, whether you can retrieve it in a single place. Portfolio Insights, which is presented by Geojit in the selfie trading platforms, has this features. You can visit the Portfolio Insights. You can pull this page from any of the trading platforms of Geojit. Now, this Portfolio Insights give you a 7 indicator parameters in terms of risk, return, diversification, quality, financial trend, etc. With this information, it will be very easy for you to analyze your portfolio and the investments that you have made in Geojit across a long period. The Portfolio Insights as of now tracks only the equity investments that you have made with Geojit. That is, it doesn't track mutual funds, ETFs, NCDs, bonds, or any other derivative products. Now, how it works? All the transactions that you have done with Geojit is tracked in this module. That is, the date of purchases, the amount of investment that you have made, or the year in which it has been sold. Whatever the corporate actions like dividend, bonus, etc., which has been announced in this investments are automatically tracked here. So this is a single place wherein you get the entire information of your stocks that you hold. You may visit the portfolio, that is, say if it is the selfie mobile platform, you can pull out the portfolio page. From there, you can go to the Portfolio Insights. There may be some transactions which are not tracked here. That is because the trading account may not have accounted these transactions. Say for example, off-market shares. Similarly, there may be shares crediting in your trading demat account from corporate actions such as mergers, acquisitions, scheme of arrangements, right issues, etc. Now, if you wish to see this transactions also in the Portfolio Insights, you can just make an entry into the customer care, other transactions. So once you place the entry, thereafter these transactions will also appear in the Portfolio Insights. Now let us see how this module works from the trading platform. So this we are trying to display from the selfie mobile application. Now this is the portfolio. From the Portfolio Insights, you can pull out the screen which we are mentioning here. You could see the total net worth which has been made in this particular portfolio. Also, each of the stocks are given as days gain and unrealized gain, etc. Once you come down, you could see something about portfolio suspicious, which is the second table. There, those stocks which are not tracked in this portfolio analysis is mentioned here. If you want to include these stocks which are in the suspicious, you can just visit the customer care and make the entries. Now come down, you could see this 7 Mojo parameter analysis. Here on, each of your investments are tracked through this module. You could see the portfolio movement that is having today plus the portfolio summary. Then with today's contributors, drags, the news pertaining only to your stocks that you hold, the corporate actions, the gainers, losers, etc. of the stocks that you hold. Now this is the 7 indicator which represents your portfolio, which is in terms of returns, risk, liquidity, diversification, quality, valuation, and financial trend. Each of the cards are explained here with the portfolio profile, the net worth breakup, overall contributors, etc. Now each of the indicators are explained one by one. So here comes the returns analysis. You can just slide on to the details of returns analysis. Something of the returns analysis is the composite index, wherein your returns are compared with an index to see whether it has given the right returns over a long period of time. Similarly, there is a risk analysis, then comes liquidity analysis. Each of the cards, when you see here, you can just swipe on to see what all details is represented in that particular cards. Then comes diversification, quality, valuation, financial trend, and at last a tax analysis is also being done on your portfolio. That is, which of the stocks having the age, such as whether it has broken the 365 days or whether it's in short term or long term, etc. Also, if you have to pay any advance tax, that is also being shown here. Now you can come back to the portfolio insights, and this is now back in the you are back in the portfolio. So this tool will give you a very good idea about your portfolio and whether your investments are made in the right companies. Thank you.